Looking for comfort hacks you never knew you needed? These weird TikTok comfort gadgets are designed to relax you, support you, and make everyday life feel way more comfortable. From oddly soothing finds to small upgrades that make a big difference, they quietly change how you live. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Kick back in ultimate comfort with this oversized hammock camping chair. The wide seat and tall back support up to 400 pounds, while the adjustable backrest and seat let you find the perfect angle for relaxing. Padded cushions and headrest keep you cozy, and a cup holder plus side pocket keep essentials close. Quick fold steel frame makes setup and storage effortless. Ideal for camping, picnics, or just lounging in your backyard. Step into the future with these self-balancing hoverboard skates. Lightweight and portable, they let you glide at up to 7 miles per hour with smooth, easy control. The rechargeable motors give you a couple of hours of ride time, perfect for cruising around your neighborhood or park. LED lights add style, while the non-slip deck keeps you safe. Compact and fun, these skates turn any flat surface into your personal hover zone. Turn any chair or couch into a personal spa with this full-body massage mat. 10 vibration motors target your shoulders, back, and legs, while the adjustable neck pillow delivers soothing shiatsu-style relief. 4 heating zones boost relaxation and help improve circulation, leaving you refreshed after a long day. You can choose from multiple massage modes and intensity levels to match your mood. Soft plush fabric makes every session feel cozy. So if you want spa-level relaxation anytime, scan the QR on screen. Stairs don't have to mean limits anymore. This powered wheelchair glides smoothly up and down straight staircases, giving users independence and peace of mind. Its sturdy frame supports heavy loads while staying lightweight and durable. Simple electric controls let a caregiver operate it safely, and the adjustable backrest keeps every ride comfortable. Foldable and portable, it's easy to store or take on the go, making mobility effortless both indoors and outdoors. Guests arriving unexpectedly? This air mattress has you covered in minutes. The built-in pump inflates or deflates the bed quickly, so setup feels effortless. The supportive coil design spreads weight evenly, keeping you comfortable without sliding around, while the soft top helps sheets stay in place. A sturdy raised frame lifts you off the floor for added comfort. When not in use, it folds neatly into a rolling case for easy storage. So if you want stress-free overnight comfort, scan the QR on screen. Sitting at your desk doesn't have to feel stiff and lifeless. This balance ball chair keeps your body gently moving while you work, helping you sit taller and stay engaged. The inflatable ball supports your core, so you naturally improve posture without thinking about it. A supportive backrest adds comfort during longer sessions. With smooth rolling wheels, you can easily move it around your home or office without hassle. Kick back and relax in style with this power recliner sectional. Each seat adjusts electrically, letting you find the perfect angle for your back, feet, and head. The soft, breathable leather and supportive foam keep you comfy whether you're watching movies or taking a nap. Built-in storage and cup holders keep essentials close without cluttering your space. Sturdy wood frames and generous seating make it perfect for family time or entertaining guests. Sometimes all you want is a bigger button to hit. This oversized enter key plugs into your computer and works like a real keyboard button, just way more fun. When stress builds up, you can slam it without worrying about damage. Feeling tired? It even doubles as a soft pillow for quick desk naps. So if you want stress relief right on your desk, scan the QR on screen. Your feet deserve a break during long desk days. This under-desk foot hammock lifts your feet into a relaxed, natural position while you work. The soft fabric feels gentle and breathable, so you stay comfortable for hours. You can easily adjust the height to switch between focused work and rest mode. It even doubles as a handy holder for headphones or bags, keeping your space neat and your posture happier. Stress melts away the moment this touches your scalp. This cordless massager uses soft, flexible claws that move like real fingers, gently kneading for instant relief. You can switch between different modes to match your mood, from slow and calming to more energizing. It works wet or dry, even in the shower for a deeper clean. So if you want a relaxing break anytime, scan the QR on screen. Getting comfortable at night shouldn't feel impossible. This full-body pillow wraps around you in a supportive U shape, cushioning your back, belly, legs, and hips all at once. It replaces a pile of regular pillows and keeps your body aligned while you sleep. The filling stays plush but supportive, so you don't sink or flatten overnight. Use it for sleeping, lounging, or reading. You don't even need to be pregnant to love it. Headphones that don't pinch or fall off? That's the idea here. This soft headband hides thin speakers inside, so kids can listen comfortably while resting, studying, or traveling. It stretches to fit growing heads and feels gentle enough for long wear. You get wireless listening with simple controls, plus a wired option when needed. It keeps sound close, comfy, and kid-friendly. No bulky headphones required. Movie nights just got a little more bite. This wearable shark blanket wraps you in soft, cozy fabric while turning you into a finned lounging machine. You slip your legs inside and stay warm without feeling trapped. It's part blanket, part costume, and all comfort. Perfect for relaxing on the couch, sleeping, or just having fun at home. Once you put it on, you won't want to swim back to regular blankets. Sleeping upright just got a serious upgrade. This unique travel pillow wraps around your head to create instant comfort and calm wherever you are. The soft micro bead filling feels light yet supportive, so you don't feel weighed down while you rest. Its clever design blocks out light and distractions, helping you switch off fast. You can even slip your hands inside to support your head on a desk. Perfect for flights, commutes, or quick power naps anywhere. Rough heels don't stand a chance against this smart foot scrubber. This electric callus remover gently smooths away dry, cracked skin while protecting healthy areas. The spinning roller does the hard work, so there's no need to scrub or press. With adjustable speeds and directions, you control how gentle or deep the smoothing goes. So if you want spa soft feet at home, scan the QR on screen. Wish you could read or watch TV while lying down? These lazy Prism Glasses make it possible. Just lie back and see everything in front of you without straining your neck or eyes. Lightweight and high definition, they work over your regular glasses or on their own. Perfect for relaxing in bed. For kids or adults, they turn lounging into a hands-free, comfy experience. Ready to upgrade movie night or gaming sessions? This smart recliner adjusts your position using just your voice, from sitting upright to fully laid back. Built-in USB ports and a phone holder keep everything you need within reach, while the cat claw armrests add a fun twist. Soft leather and ergonomic support keep you comfortable for long sessions. So if you want a chair that works for you, scan the QR on screen. Want a chair that breaks all the rules? The Ekstrem lets you sit any way you like, forward, sideways, or fully reclined with your torso resting against the back. Its bold geometric design is as much art as it is comfort, giving you a no-limit sitting experience. Soft knit fabric and ergonomic support keep you cozy no matter how you perch. It's a statement piece that's as playful as it is functional. Give your hands the pampering they deserve. This cordless hand massager combines heat, compression, and wave-like kneading to relieve sore joints and numb fingers. 3 massage sizes and 7 massage heads cover every spot, while adjustable airbags surround your hand for full comfort. Lightweight and portable, you can use it at home, in the office, or even outdoors. Rechargeable and easy to carry, it's a perfect gift for anyone in need of hand relief. Ever wished you could enjoy music without blocking the world around you? These open-ear Bluetooth headphones let you hear your tunes while staying aware of what's around you. The lightweight clip design stays comfy all day, and smart noise canceling keeps your calls clear. You can listen for hours and switch easily between 2 devices. Built to handle splashes and dust, they're ready for everyday life. So if you want sound without isolation, scan the QR on screen. Tired of thinning hair? This laser hair growth cap uses gentle red light to stimulate fuller, thicker hair for men and women. Just wear it hands-free while you go about your day and let clinical strength lasers do the work. Visible results can appear in just a few months, improving hair density and health. Lightweight and comfortable, it covers your scalp evenly without tiring your hands. It's an easy, science-backed way to boost your hair growth routine. Give your tired feet the treatment they deserve. This electric foot massager uses advanced stimulation to relax muscles, ease nerve tension, and improve circulation from toes to calves. Multiple settings let you customize intensity and target key pressure points, while the quiet design keeps it peaceful for home use. Perfect for anyone who stands all day or wants relief from foot and leg pain. So, if you want happy, refreshed feet, scan the QR to shop now. Ever wish you could float while sitting? This gravity-balanced chair brings that feeling to life. Shift your weight and go from kneeling to upright, or gently lean back to fully recline and feel weightless. The natural ash base and soft fabric cradle you in comfort, while the ergonomic design supports your posture all day. Built to last, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Tired of stiff shoulders and a sore neck? This wireless neck and shoulder massager gives you a professional-style massage right at home. Its bionic hands mimic kneading, pressing, and lifting motions to target deep muscle knots. 3 relaxing modes let you customize the experience, and the portable design means you can use it anywhere, on the couch, at your desk, or even while traveling. So if you want instant relief from tension, scan the QR to shop now. Ever wanted to become a giant burrito? Now you can. This tortilla throw blanket wraps you up like a toasty, oversized burrito, making movie nights, naps, or reading a hilarious adventure. Soft flannel keeps you warm and cozy, while the realistic design sparks laughs with friends, family, or even your dog. At 71 inches, it's big enough for couples, teens, or solo snuggles. So if you want to wrap yourself in joy, scan the QR to shop now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.